Dear students, we are handling exercise 3C, Roman number 2 successfully completed. Let us discuss Roman number 3 all sums today. Write the question Roman number 3, first question. Page number 56. Page 56, Roman number 3, first question. Find the point on the straight line. Find the point on the straight line. 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Three x plus y plus 4 equal to 0, which is equidistant from the points which is equidistant from the points minus 5 comma 6 and 3 comma 2. Find the point on the straight line. Find the point. The point, only one point we need to calculate, which is on the straight line and equidistant from the given points. Draw the diagram like this. This is a point A minus 5 comma 6 and this is a point B 3 comma 2. And this is another line 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This should be on the point let P like this. From P, A and B are equal. This line is 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. You need to understand that whatever the required point we are going to calculate, that point should lie on the line 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0, and that point, whatever the point lie on the line, that is equal to, equidistant maintaining from A comma B. From A is minus 5 comma 6 and B is 3 comma 2. Now let the point be x comma y, you write. So P x comma y. Condition equidistant, meaning PA is equal to PB. Same distance. This one and this one are equal. PA equal to PB. So squaring both sides. PA equal to PB, squaring both sides. So PA square equal to PB square. PA square equal to PB square. That implies you can write. You need to understand that the distance between 2 points, formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Whenever square is there, no need to write root. So directly you can say, let here x comma y, x minus of minus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square, plus like this, y minus 6 whole square, is equal to this side. You observe x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. X left side PA, right side PB, PA equal to PB. You do equate the sums and find the equation by squaring both sides. Now you apply the formula a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. This is x square plus 25. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 10x plus this is y square plus 36 minus 12y equal to, in the similar way, right side x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Both sides x square get cancelled. Both sides y square get cancelled. Now 10x, that x taken this side here, minus 6 is there, taken left side, it becomes plus 10 plus 6, 16x. Next here minus 12y, yes, minus 4y. Minus 4y taken this side, it becomes a plus. So minus 12 plus 4y becomes minus 8y. Next numbers here, 25, 36. 25, 36, 61. This is 13. 13 taken this side. 16 minus 31 becomes 48. 48 equal to 0. I think you can do, you can understand this one. Now take common, divide by 8 both sides. Divide by 8 both sides. That implies 2x minus 4y, 2x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Let this is first equation. Next, given line. Given line 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. If this is the given line, whatever the point we are expecting x comma y lie on the line itself, that one, using this equation PA equal to PB, we got the equation as a 2x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Then by solving first equation and second equation, we will get the answer. Now write as solving 1 comma 2. Solving 1 comma 2, we get, already I said that method is YCX method. Take here y quotient as minus 1, next constant 6, and x quotient 2, later y quotient minus 1. In the similar way, here y quotient 1 and constant 4, and x quotient 3 and y quotient 1. This is x, this is y, this is 1. X by minus 4 minus 6 equal to y by 6, 3 are 18 minus 8 equal to 1 by 2 plus 3. That implies x by minus 4 minus 6 becomes minus 10 equal to y by 18 minus 8 becomes 10 equal to 1 by 5. Therefore x equal to this by 5 and this by 5 you should write. X is equal to minus 10 by 5 comma y is equal to 10 by 5. Therefore required point you should write as minus 2 comma 2. Required point, whatever the point is on the line, according to given condition, is minus 2 comma 2. Now let us write second question. A straight line through P3 comma 4. A straight line through P3 comma 4 makes an angle 60 degrees. Makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Find the coordinates of points on the line which are 5 units away from P. Find coordinates. Find coordinates on the line. Coordinates on the line which are 5 units away from P. Which are 5 units away from P. From a point P which making an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis, you need to calculate the value of the points. Points you need to calculate. So draw a diagram like this. A straight line passing through P through comma 4 makes angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. 60 degrees. Put here P3 comma 4. Find coordinates which are 5 units from away from P. Put here this is Q and this is PQ, which are already given 5 units. This is x comma y. Let this is x1 comma y1. In previous session we discussed the equation of straight line. In parametric form is x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to n plus r sin theta. Write the formula. Parametric equation of straight line. Read the question. Point or points. Points means plus or minus both sides. This side also. Parametric equations of straight line. X is equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r minus r sin theta. Here theta is equal to 60 degrees and r is equal to 5. x1, y1 already 3 comma 4. Apply the formula directly. X is equal to 3 plus or minus 5 into cos 60. Comma y is equal to 4 plus or minus 5 into sin 60. So x is equal to 3 plus or minus 5 into, apply the formula, cos 60 value 1 by 2 and sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Two cases you take. X is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2. Comma y equal to 4 plus 5 root 3 by 2. And x is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. Y is equal to 4 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Y is equal to 4 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Now x is equal to, therefore required points you write now. Required points x comma y is equal to, take LCM, 2 3s are 6 plus 5 by 2. I mean 2, 6 plus 5, 11 by 2. Comma, this is 8 plus 5 root 3 by 2. and take LCM. 2 3 are 6 minus 5 by 2 meaning 1 by 2 comma 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2. That's all. These are the points on the line q x comma y or x comma y. Left side or right side you take any way, positive and negative way. Next, third one. It is important question in the mains also. In MCET also this is IMP question. 4 marks IMP question. Question number 3, page 57, Roman number 3. Page 57, Roman number 3. A straight line through q root 3 comma 2 q root 3 comma 2 makes angles pi by 6. Makes angles pi by 6 with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis, if the line intersect another line, if the line intersects root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, yet to P, find the distance PQ. PQ bar means the distance between P and Q. Find the distance PQ. First of all, let us draw the diagram. After completion of drawing the diagram, then you will be able to understand. A straight line through q root 3 comma 2, making an angle pi by 6 with positive direction of x-axis. Pi by 6, this is q root 3 comma 2. If this line intersecting another line, see like this is another line, yet P, this is root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Let this is R. We need to calculate that R, the distance from P comma Q, you need to calculate. Given this root 3 comma 2 is as x1 comma y1. Theta is equal to pi by 6, that is 30 degrees. Using the parametric equations, x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Apply the formula. X is equal to root 3 plus r cos 30 degrees, pi by 6 means 30, comma y is equal to two plus r sin 30 degrees,
x is equal to
root 3 plus